Today I'm going to replace rear output seal for my 2005 Tacoma Pre-Runner 4.0. These are the tools we need. The first one is 14mm socket, mallet hammer, and 1.5 inch PVC pipe fitting. You can get it from Home Depot for 90 cents. And this is the cup to catch the fluid coming out from the seal when you take it off. And tie down to hold the drive shaft. And we have the main seal itself. And these are about 10 bucks from the dealership. And we have a paper towel, brake cleaner, and seal puller. There's a small leak coming from the seal. The two bolts you have to undo. And that's it. And you see how I hooked up the use this it took me a while to get this old one out. It seems fine compared to the new one. It looks pretty okay condition, but yeah, I put. And also I'm doing the transmission fluid change. So I dropped the pan. Fortunately, I stripped one of the pan bolt. The good thing is everything looks pretty clean. Probably didn't even have to drop the pan, so I'm still gonna clean it.
Yeah, so we use the brake cleaner and a wipe to clean it real nice. It's really clean, and those are the magnets. I'm just gonna place it like that, and let's install it. So the gasket from that fits pretty well. And I didn't have to scrape up anything because the old gasket was also rubber.
And I'm using the Valkyrie Max Life ATF instead of WS, the Toyota WS. It's pretty cool. This is third run, and the fluid looks pretty red now, so that's good.